word up. Yeah. It's somebody's birthday today. Oh my yard, if it's yours, why can't I celebrate? Oh my God, you a gift. I've been blessed.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a good day. Remember, every single day is a good day, and today is a great day to be alive. Today is a special day because, Malcolm, what is it?
And it's Daddy's birthday.
Say it again.
It's Daddy's birthday.
That's right. It is my birthday. That's right. And if you've been watching the channel, you know that I believe in making sure that you take the time for yourself.
Is this Jackson's?
That is yours. You can have it. Okay. Now, I take the day off of work and I just spend time with the family and do the things that I want to do.
Yeah, and we got Chick-fil-A.
We got Chick-fil-A. There's more coming with that later. Take the time. If your birthday is coming up, if it hasn't passed, take the time to celebrate you because you matter.
Yeah, and we have vitamins.
Yes, we have vitamins.
And we have ginger.
And we have ginger. Anything else?
And we have ketchup.
Yeah. So I started off the day doing what I usually do. I wake up.
And I have a buzz costume.
I typically wake up early, work out, and today I wanted to get a workout in that was like a birthday workout. So today I was born on February 2nd, I was born February 9th, 1988, and I am, give me a drum roll please. Malcolm, guess how old I am?
Oh,
What? Does this beard make me look 4?
yeah.
No. Jackson, how old am I? How old? 3? 3? No! I am not 3. Okay. I'll give you one more guess. How old?
4.
No, you already guessed that.
5.
5? No.
6.
You guys are making me feel young. I am 33 years old today.
What?
Yeah.
You are Dewey?
33 years old.
33 old?
Yep.
Oh, man.
Am I getting old or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I did a workout where it was a 33 calorie ski buy-in with 2 heavy clean and jerks at 155 pounds, 9 bar muscle ups, and 88 double unders for 1988. I ended up just doing 1 because this was after the CrossFit class that I took, and yeah. So here's a little bit of the footage. What I'm doing today is, hold on Malcolm, I am going to eat some of my favorite foods. So we got Freddy's, yeah.
And we got Chick-fil-A.
And we got Chick-fil-A, okay? Oh, some of my favorite things. So what I got from Chick-fil-A is 1 spicy deluxe with pepper jack cheese
Yeah. And we got
sandwich. Oh yeah. With fries. And of course, some nuggets. Some nuggets. Then, of course, gotta get the fries from Freddy's.
Yeah.
And a triple stack California burger. If you haven't heard about Freddy's, it's kind of like a mixture between Five Guys and sure, Five Guys and In-N-Out. Now, my goal, I'm gonna consume everything that I like. You eating my fries? Get your hands off of my fries. Hey! Her! Should I start, Malcolm? What should I start with? Chick-fil-A or Freddy's? Freddy's. Oh boy. Can you hear Gianna in the background? Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. How many calories is in this burger and the fries and everything like that? Let's see. What do you think, Malcolm? How many calories are in here?
5.
5 calories. 5 calories in here. Wow.
5 calories in it.
You want a bite? Take a bite. Just a little bite. Oh, so good.
But eat another one.
All right, last bite. Oh, this is so good. Okay, I should say the fries for last. Where to go to next? Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A nuggets. Can't have Chick-fil-A without, this is my personal opinion, my hands, ugh. But you need the Chick-fil-A sauce, don't know how many calories that is, and the Parisian sauce too. So let's get into these nuggets.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Polynesian sauce. I kind of got to hurry before it sets in. Because when it sets in quick. Woo. The burger.
Yeah.
Lindsay's looking at me like I'm fat.
Daddy, happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. That's the 12th time he's told me happy birthday. I'll take it. All right, let's go ahead and finish these. Okay.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
And it's Daddy's birthday.
It's my birthday. I told the boys, you gotta do 2 things for me today. Do you remember what those 2 things were, Malcolm? What were those 2 things?
We can't fight.
Yep. And what else?
No, and I don't know what else.
I said you cannot fight and you cannot have any tantrums. And what have you done so far today?
Have tantrum.
Had tantrums and what?
Fight.
And fight. Is it my birthday or no?
Yeah, no.
You guys aren't even listening.
Yeah.
See? Deluxe. Oh yeah.
And spicy vitamins.
And spicy vitamins.
And spicy vitamins. Spicy.
Alright. What do you think, Malcolm? Do you think Daddy can finish this or do you think he can't?
I think.
I don't, you guys know I don't eat like this all the time.
No.
I don't. We eat healthy, right? We have fresh juice, right?
Yeah.
We have fresh juice. We eat fairly clean throughout the week.
Yeah, and we have some.
Fries.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Eat them.
Woo. 3 bites left. Ooh. And I am feeling it. Oh, the background sounds. That was a bad idea. Guys, so we just dropped off the boys. Well, I shouldn't say just. We dropped off the boys at about 1 o'clock. And now it is officially 3 and they're at school. But we just had some quiet time to ourselves and it was great. Are you enjoying the peace and quiet? Huh? Yes? No? Maybe so? You got a little bit of a nap? I think we were going to go run our errands, but we were like, you know what? Let's just go home and just relax and not have to deal with the boys. We love them, but it was really nice just to be here and enjoy the house with any toddlers running around and having any tantrums. I said this earlier. I told the boys that they owed me 2 things. 1, no tantrums today. 2, no fights. Have they made my wishes come true? Not at all. Not at all.
Thank you, Tuesday.
You tooted?
No.
Oh.
I was starting to.
You were starting to?
Yeah, and I tooted when I was playing with a Lego.
You tooted when you were playing with the Legos?
Yeah, and nobody's gonna hear me.
Oh, that's good.
And I tried to stop it and I toot.
You tried to stop it? That's good.
But I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow, good job.
For today's dinner, we have this feta cheese craze. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it's been going all around YouTube, TikTok, and social media. You let this melt and you put pasta in it, and I guess it's supposed to be good. Oh yeah, there it is. There is the final product.
The water knocking off.
Let's see how it is. First bite. Bon appetit. So good.
You guys can clean all over the floor. Right, ready?
Yeah.
This is the only candles that we have.
Should we sing happy birthday?
All right, here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
That blow them.
Hold on, let me make a wish. Thank you.
I ain't felt this good in a minute. Own it. I ain't tryna rent it. It feel like it's third down. So I'ma stiff farm like I'm Emmitt Smith. Yeah, I'm going in, baby. Yeah, I'm tryna win, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. The way we win, it ain't fair. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Left, right, yeah. Bring out the conga, bring out the bass, bring out the L. I got the chase, I got the gold, all of my necklace and a smile you can't erase. It's the window circle over here. We like to wild out and get weird. We like to put our hands in the sky, yeah, and show the world that we here. The way we living is so rare. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah that's right, yeah that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just do my thing.
Daddy, happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, thank you.